Good morning, traders. Richard here doing quick Ichimoku cloud chart market update on the S&P 500 Index Futures contract. In the last update, we were looking at this pullback here, looking for support to come back in at this old cloud chart resistance zone, which was tested and successfully rebounded from that zone. The turning line Ichimoku cloud also provided some support in this rally. Broke out of that resistance zone, that consolidation base, and then hit the top end resistance 5985. Then the upside target there was 6060. So we're digging into this resistance zone, and the next one is 6165. So we are digging into a significant resistance zone. If we look at this previous double top that we've had here, and this support zone, so we can see here between these two highs there and this bottom end cloud, we are digging into a major resistance zone. So it'll be interesting to see if the momentum is going to stay at this level. Are we going to have a seasonal weakness into June, July? Maybe we can continue this rally, take out the top end target of 6165, and then pull back in July, August towards the standard line Ichimoku cloud. By that time, that would have caught up with the 5918. So 6000 is now so far the support for June, July. And it can still be tested, as well as the top end of the front end of the cloud. But keep an eye on for a stronger breakout past that resistance zone at 660 with the upside target of 6165. Let's go and take a look at the 4-hour Ichimoku. On the 4-hour, you can see here by the end of May, we had a lovely support test. You have the bottom end of the cloud, rebounded from there, hit the top end cloud resistance there, and then snapped through the cloud chart resistance, pulled back to retest this support zone at the front end of the cloud, and then we rebounded from there, and we had a nice rally on the back of that on the 4-hour Ichimoku. Now keep an eye on for the key support zone in the 4-hour is the standard line, and it seems to offer swing trade opportunities back. So if we dip back below this level, or maybe a rebound between 5985 and this standard line of Ichimoku cloud, then we make another attempt at that old resistance level there, together with the previous two top ones there at 6165. So that's kind of where we are. Watch out for any kind of price action starts to trade below the cloud, then you know the rally is going to roll over. Price action needs to remain above the bottom in the cloud for this 4-hour chart to be bullish. Let's take a look at the 60 minutes. On the 60 minutes, we have an indication. We're now looking bearish on the 60 minutes with these downside support target 5985 and 5976. But the 6000 is probably going to be retested and then made another attempt at that resistance on the front end of the cloud. But keep a close eye on the interaction of the price action here, as well as the 4-hour will give you a pretty good idea as to when this rally is rolling over on the 4-hour Ichimoku cloud basis. Adding the 60-minute support zone, you could see we could possibly test that, and that's very close to the top end of the cloud, so we might have something where it pulls back similar to here and then rebound from there to make another attempt at the high end 6000. But we are moving into deeper into the month in June, so we should see that 6165 target being met in June or July. From a big picture perspective, keep a close eye on those interaction with the standard line and the turning line Ichimoku cloud. Those are critical levels, and then the major support zone here is 5837, as well as the top end of the front end of the cloud at 5903 there. So that's the critical support zones there. But if we slice through this 6000, then we could easily drop back to test these levels at the bottom of the cloud. So it's critical for the price action to come back, the buyers to come back into the market at this turning line of the Ichimoku cloud. So keep a very close eye on those levels there, as well as this 5918 zone. Quite a lot of resistance to get through, so it'll be interesting to see if we can get this rally to maintain its momentum to the upside. It's been a very strong one since this cloud chart rebound buy signals around here, as well as the cloud standard line cross, the Ichimoku cloud chart buy signals, and then the cloud cross buy signal there. So we had plenty of buy signals. Very strong rally, rebound rally in the market on the Ichimoku cloud. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy cloud chart trading. Bye for now.